Hi everyone, Simple Dan here. In this video, I'll show you how to remove this random arrow which has appeared on your iPhone screen. So I'll explain to you why there is a random arrow on your iPhone screen and how to remove it. So this accessibility feature is a feature which basically helps you read anything on screen. So if you tap on the arrow and you tap on this pointer icon, and if you tap on any icon, it'll basically read for you what it says on screen. So let me show you how to remove this arrow from your screen. So first you need to go ahead and open up settings. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on accessibility. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find spoken content. And now go ahead and find speak screen. You can go ahead and turn this off and that will remove the arrow. However, you can go ahead and tap on speech controller and go ahead and turn this off. Now when you do this, that arrow will disappear from your iPhone screen. And now you won't have a random arrow on your iPhone screen. So there you go, guys. That is how to remove the random arrow on your iPhone screen.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.